in order for you to attain much better for the competency. Okay, our target for this day, for your second week, day 1, represent real-life equation using rational functions. And the second objective is to distinguish rational functions, equations, and rational inequalities. Okay. So first we have to distinguish the three terms. So we have this rational equation. So rational equation is an equation involving rational expression. So if you are going to look, we have expression here. So we have this variables 2x, 2 over x, and 3 over 2x. So this one makes this a rational algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic rational expression because it is a ratio of two terms and there is a variable in the denominator. Importante jud ni nga na ay variable sa denominator, so for you to determine that it is a rational expression. But since this is an equation, rational equation, mas importante nga na ay equal sign, na equality symbol, and a certain value. Okay? Kay equality man, equation man. So we need to there is a specific value. Okay, this is an equation. So for the second example, we have here the same ratio of two algebraic expression, 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. There is a variable in the denominator and a certain value. If in case there is a variable on the right side, okay, let's say this is 8x. So this is still a rational equation because of this equality symbol and the variable in the definition. O walay variable sa denominator, so this means na this is not a rational equation because it will become linear equation or depending on the power or degree of the expression. Okay, for your rational inequality, so this same, we have rational expression, variable in the denominator, okay, this one, and the inequality symbol. Okay, so this one, inequality symbol is less than, greater than, not equal to. We have this less than or equal to and greater than or equal to. So these are the inequality symbols. So if the expression has this inequality symbol, so meaning that is a rational inequality. So meaning there are lots of values of x that will satisfy this inequality. Okay, what are the values of x that will satisfy 2x is less than 7 over x plus 4. So that is for rational inequality. Okay. Okay, for rational function, this is a function in the form of f of x equals to p of x over q of x. So this is a function, meaning there is a naay dependency from one variable to another. So f of x, this is dependent to the value of x. So once ka mausog si x, mausog po si f of x. F of x can also be represented by y. Okay, y. So while the value of x changes, the value of y changes. Value of x changes, f of x changes. Okay, this is still a rational function because of the variable in the denominator. Okay, this one and this one. Okay, always remember the denominator should not be equal to 0. Okay, the denominator should not be equal to 0. This q of x should not be equal to 0. Okay, so for a rational function, okay, timanahan sa rational functions, we have two variables, f of x or y, and then x. Okay, so let us proceed to another competency. This is for your how to represent real life situations into a function. Okay, we have this example on your notes. An object is to travel a distance of 10 meters. Express velocity v as a function of travel time in t seconds. So it is known that the formula for velocity is equals to distance over time. So known na siya nga formula. But since given na si 10 meters, simply substitute 10 for d, and t will serve as our variable with respect to time. Therefore, your formula, the function for one is v of t equals 10 over t. Okay, so to check, okay, so we have this table. So if time is 1 second, the velocity is 10 over 1. 1, that is 10. When time is 2 seconds, 10 over 2, that is 5. Time is 4, 10 over 4, that is 2.5. Time is 5, 10 over 5, that is 2. And 10 divided by 10, that is 1. Okay, so meaning this is the table for this function. Okay, another example. In an organ pipe, the frequency F of vibration of air is inversely proportional to the length L of the pipe. Suppose that the frequency of vibration is a 10-foot pipe is 54 vibration per second. Express F as a function of L. So we are going to make a function for this situation. Given na si length nga 10 foot, then si vibration nga 54 vibrations per second. Mao na si frequency. Okay, knowing okay, so given po nga the vibration is inversely proportional, so F is equals to K over L. So F is for your frequency, L is for the length, then K is for ratio of proportionality, meaning there is a constant here. We need to get the value of this constant for us to create a new function. So we given the frequency 54, the length is 10, substitute, then let us solve for K. So cross multiply, K equals to 54 times 10 equals to 540. Then use L as the function, express F as a function of L. So this is the result. F of L equals to 540 over L. Okay, so what the frequency depends on the length. Inversely proportional, that is K over L. Always remember this one. If we say directly proportional, that is frequency equals K times L. But this is inversely, so K over L. Okay, so that's it for your week 1 and day 1. I hope this one will be helpful for your answer in the modular learning. So thank you and God bless. Don't hesitate to call me or ask me for any questions if you have queries. Thank you.